In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the Magic Write tool in Canva Docs. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Welcome back to iTech On Demand. In this video, we're going to take a look at Canva Docs, which is located right here, but specifically we're going to be looking at the Canva Magic Write tool. So within the Canva platform, this Magic Write tool uses AI to generate content ideas and different suggestions for teachers or for whoever, but of course this channel is focused on education. So we want to look at how teachers can use Magic Write to help them create engaging and effective lesson plans, as well as activities and presentations. So let's look at some ways teachers can use the Magic Write tool. So first, I've created a free Canva account. Now this is just a regular basic account. I did notice that when I'm using my teacher education account with Canva, which is also free, I noticed that the Magic Write tool currently, as of today's date, March 2023, it does not show I'm using my educational site. So I'm using a free plan, and I'm going to go ahead and select Docs, and we're going to open up a Canva Doc. Now, when you first open up a Canva Doc, you will see a template here. You will need to go in and you can edit this design. And we're just going to delete this information. Okay, so now I have a blank Canva doc. And of course, this looks very similar to Google Docs. As you can see, you have your home tab, your file tab, your undo tab at the top, as well as a way to change the font style and the font size, as well as the color, bold, italics, underline, and of course you can do your alignments as well. So this looks very similar to Google Docs, and teachers, I know you guys are using Google Docs, so you're probably going to love the Canva Magic Write tool. So let's take a look at how to use this tool. So we're going to click the plus sign, and you have some options of what you can select. We are going to select Magic Write, okay? And we're going to go ahead and try it out. Notice that it tells you to write 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. You can also try out an example. So that's a cool way to start if this is your first time using this tool. By the way, if you have not heard of the new AI tool, which is ChatGPT, this one is very, very similar to ChatGPT. Go ahead and pause the video and Google ChatGPT. I highly recommend it as well for teachers. It's really just a helpful AI tool. So check it out. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to tell Magic Write what we want to do. So the first thing, or the first idea that teachers can use this tool for is to brainstorm. So teachers can brainstorm ideas for lesson plans and activities simply by inputting the topic that you want to teach. And then, it's going to give you some suggestions. So let's try it out. So I haven't tried these out, so I'm strictly trying these for the first time with you guys. And I've typed in, can you generate a lesson plan and related activities for the topic budgeting? So we're going to see what happens. So it says, sure, I can help you create a lesson plan and related activities for the topic of budgeting. And so it tells me what budgeting is, and then it gives me my lesson plan, introduce the concept of budgeting and explain why it's important. And then we have a couple other there as listed there as well. We have 5 objectives, and then we have some activities. Have students work in pairs to create a budgeting plan using a common set of resources. Or let's see, have students create a budgeting blog and share their budgeting experiences and tips. So here's how you can kind of brainstorm and ask Canva Magic Write to generate a lesson plan and some activities. Let's move on to the second way this tool can be used by teachers, and let's try some content creation. So Magic Write can help teachers generate content for their lesson plans or presentations. So we just have to input some ideas, and then this tool is going to provide you guys with suggestions for headlines or subheadings and bullet points. So let's try to ask it to create us some content for the budgeting lesson plan. So let's select Magic Write. And again, you guys, I have not tested this out, so we are doing this together. So I said, can you generate content for a budgeting lesson plan? We're going to go ahead and press enter and see what happens. Y'all, this is so cool to me, and it's going to just save so much time as a teacher. So it says, sure, here's your objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify different types of budgeting, create a budget plan based on their own financial goals, and use budgeting tools to track their spending. So you have the materials that you need for this lesson, and then you have the procedures. And then it says by the end of the lesson, students should have a better understanding of budgeting and be able to create a budget plan based on their own financial goals. So I absolutely love this, love this, love this. And it gives you those steps there that you need to take. This is awesome, y'all. So we're going to keep going. And we're going to move down, and we're going to go to the third way that teachers can use this tool, and that's for writing support. So teachers, the Magic Write tool can assist you all with your writing. So the tool can provide suggestions for vocabulary, suggestions for grammar and syntax, helping you create a clear and concise written content for your lessons. Now, you can copy and paste, I do believe, anyway, I haven't tried it out, a paragraph and ask it to check for grammar errors. But what I'm going to do is I am going to ask it to create some vocabulary words related to my budgeting topic for my lesson plan. So let's see what happens. So I've asked it to generate 5 vocabulary words for my budgeting lesson plan, and you can be very specific as to how many terms you want, or how many of anything that you want for that matter. So it gave me expenses, revenue, budget, frugal, and forecast, and it gives me the definition of all 5 of those. Okay, so lastly, let's jump into the 4th way that this tool is going to be useful to teachers, and that's by lesson plan enhancement. So the Magic Write tool can help teachers improve their existing lesson plans. So it can provide suggestions for activities, suggestions for discussion topics, as well as assessments, you all, which is totally amazing. And these are going to align with your lesson objectives. So let's take a look and let's try to see if it can give us some discussion topics for our lesson plan. So I have typed in, can you generate 3 discussion questions for my budgeting lesson plan? And we're going to go ahead and select enter. And here are my questions. What are the key steps involved in creating a budget? How can budgeting help us achieve our financial goals? And what strategies can you use to make sure you stick to your budget? So these are 3 discussion questions that I could use in this particular lesson. Now let's take it a step further and let's see if it's going to generate some questions, like some multiple choice questions related to my lesson plan topic. So let's say I want to quiz the kids and I want to give them some questions. Now keep in mind, you guys, if you notice down here at the bottom, it says that you have 21 Magic Writes left. So that lets you know that you only have, I think, 25 per day. So, you know, use them wisely. But I think that's totally enough. I don't know that you really need to upgrade to a different plan. I think this can be enough. And of course, you can always use a different login as well. So, you know. All right, so let's test this out. And again, y'all, this is my first time testing it. So we'll see what happens. So I'm asking Magic Write, can you generate 2 multiple choice questions related to budgeting and provide an answer key, because I want to know what the answer should be, right? So this is going to make it easy for me to transform this into a paper test, or maybe put these into quizzes, or however you want to use it, Kahoot or whatever. So question 1, What is the most important factor to consider when creating a budget? So you have your options, and let's see, there's my answer. And the answer is your income is the most important factor. Question 2, what type of budgeting technique is best for setting long-term goals? You have your answer options, and the answer is a zero-based budget. So this is how you can use this amazing tool. Again, this is located in Canva. It's only in Canva Docs, so you do have to open up a doc, okay? So overall, Canva Magic Write is a useful tool for teachers who want to enhance their lesson plans and create engaging content. Now, if you guys are loving this content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.